Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting a first look at the highly anticipated all-new 2025 BMW X5. This is a beast of a machine, so buckle up. The 2025 X5 offers a range of engine options, catering to different driving styles. The base model, the Strive 40i, packs a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline six-cylinder engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup pumps out 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, launching the X5 from 0 to 60 mph in a brisk 5.3 seconds. Want more muscle? The xDrive M60i boasts a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine, also enhanced by the 48-volt mild hybrid system. This powerhouse delivers a whopping unmentioned horsepower figure, making it the undisputed king of performance in the X5 lineup. Despite its impressive power, the 2025 X5 doesn't compromise on fuel efficiency. X5 boasts a user-friendly infotainment system with a large touchscreen display. The system is intuitive and responsive, giving you access to navigation, audio, climate control, and a whole lot more. The digital instrument cluster keeps you informed about all the important driving metrics. The 2025 BMW X5 is a compelling option for those seeking a luxurious, powerful, and technologically advanced SUV. It offers a variety of engine options to suit your needs, a comfortable and spacious interior, and a plethora of safety features. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or prioritize comfort and efficiency, the X5 has something to offer. So, what do you think about the all-new 2025 BMW X5? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching.